What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Next Gen Wealth, here to drop some serious knowledge bombs about making that money, even while you're stuck studying. College is expensive, we all know it, but that doesn't mean you have to live off ramen noodles and hope for the best. We're talking about 10 side hustles perfect for 2025, designed to boost your bank account and give you some real-world experience. Whether you're a tech whiz, a social media guru, or just love hanging out with furry friends, there's a perfect side hustle out there with your name on it. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to unlock your inner entrepreneur because things are about to get wild. First up, we're diving into the world of freelancing, where you're the boss. Imagine having the freedom to choose your own projects and work on your own terms. Got a knack for writing killer blog posts that get clicks? Or maybe you can craft engaging content that keeps readers hooked? Maybe you're a Photoshop wizard who can make logos pop and bring designs to life with your creativity. Whatever your skill set, there's a hungry market of businesses out there dying for your talent. From startups to established companies, everyone needs skilled freelancers. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are like digital marketplaces where you can create a profile, showcase your skills, and connect with clients from around the globe. It's like having a global office at your fingertips. No more stuffy office environments. You can work from your dorm room in your pajamas. Who doesn't love that? Comfort and productivity can go hand in hand. The best part? You set your rates, choose your projects, and build a portfolio that screams, "I'm a professional, hire me." It's all about showcasing your unique talents. Think about it. You could be writing website copy for a tech startup in Silicon Valley one day, helping them shape their online presence, and designing social media graphics for a fashion brand in Paris the next. The possibilities are endless and exciting. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner freelancer and show the world what you're made of. Your skills are your worth, and the world is ready to see them. Are you a math whiz who can explain calculus in your sleep? Or maybe you're a history buff who can recite every single US president in chronological order. If you've got a knack for a particular subject, then online tutoring might just be your golden ticket to side hustle success. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and Schooly connect you with students of all ages who are struggling with their studies. You can help them ace that upcoming exam, finally understand Shakespeare, or conquer their fear of fractions. Not only will you earn some serious cash, but you'll also be making a real difference in someone's life. Talk about a rewarding side hustle. Plus, online tutoring is super flexible, so why not share your knowledge with the world and get paid for it? It's a win-win situation. Let's face it, we practically live on social media. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our eyes are glued to our screens. But did you know that your scrolling skills could actually make you money? Yes, you heard that right. Your daily habit of checking feeds can turn into a lucrative career. That's right, businesses are constantly searching for social media savvy individuals to manage their online presence. And that's where you come in. Imagine being the go-to expert for crafting the perfect online image. As a social media manager, you'll be the voice of the brand, crafting engaging captions, scheduling posts, and interacting with followers. Your creativity will shine through every post and story. You'll need to be creative, organized, and up-to-date on all the latest trends to keep those likes and shares coming. Staying ahead of the curve is key to your success. Think about it. You could be the mastermind behind that viral TikTok campaign, or the one who grows a small business's Instagram following into the thousands. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can often manage multiple accounts at once, maximizing your earning potential while working remotely. Flexibility and freedom are at your fingertips, so ditch the boring internship and become the social media maven you were born to be. Embrace the digital world and let your social media prowess lead you to success. Chapter 4. Selling digital products. Unleash your inner digital entrepreneur. Have you ever wanted to create something awesome and share it with the world? Well, now you can, and get paid for it. The world of digital products is booming, and it's easier than you think to become a digital entrepreneur. What are digital products, you ask? Think ebooks, online courses, printable templates, stock photos, website themes. The possibilities are endless. If you have knowledge or skills to share, you can package them into a digital product and sell it online through platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. The beauty of digital products is that once you create them, they can generate passive income for months or even years to come. So, tap into your inner creativity, identify a need in the market, and start building your digital empire. Chapter 5. Print on Demand. Design your way to riches. Ever dreamed of designing your own t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases? Well, with print on demand, you can turn that dream into a reality without ever having to touch a printing press. Platforms like Printful and Printify connect you with suppliers who handle all the printing, packaging, and shipping, while you focus on the fun part, designing. Create eye-catching designs, upload them to your chosen platform, and watch the orders roll in. This is a fantastic side hustle for creative individuals who love to experiment with different designs and niches. You can create designs for specific events, hobbies, fandoms, you name it. It's a low-risk, high-reward side hustle that allows you to unleash your inner artist and build a thriving online business. Chapter 6. Virtual Assistants, the ultimate side hustle for organized masterminds. Are you a master of organization with a knack for getting things done? Do you thrive on checking tasks off your to-do list? If so, then a virtual assistant side hustle might be your calling. Busy professionals and entrepreneurs are always looking for reliable VAs to help them with a wide range of tasks, from managing emails and scheduling appointments to booking travel arrangements and creating presentations. The beauty of being a VA is that you can often work from anywhere with an internet connection, setting your own hours and choosing the clients and tasks that pique your interest. So, if you're a natural-born organizer with a passion for efficiency, why not put those skills to good use and become a virtual assistant extraordinaire? Chapter 7. Pet sitting or dog walking. Turn your love for furry friends into cash. Calling all animal lovers. Did you know that you can turn your passion for furry friends into a profitable side hustle? Pet sitting and dog walking are in high demand, especially in urban areas, and it's a fantastic way to earn some extra cash while spending time with adorable animals. Imagine spending your evenings cuddling with cats, taking playful pups for walks in the park, and showering your furry clients with love and attention. It's the perfect side hustle for anyone who considers themselves a pet whisperer. Platforms like Rover and Wag connect pet sitters and dog walkers with pet parents in their local area. So if you're looking for a fun, flexible, and rewarding side hustle, look no further than pet sitting or dog walking. Chapter 8. Content creation. Share your passion, build your empire. Do you have a passion for video games, makeup tutorials, or travel vlogs? In the age of YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, anyone can become a content creator and build a loyal following around their interests. Whether you're a natural storyteller, a comedic genius, or a master of DIY hacks, there's an audience out there eager to consume your content. The key is to find your niche, be authentic, and consistently deliver high-quality content that keeps your viewers coming back for more. As your audience grows, you can monetize your content through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and even selling your own merchandise or digital products. Content creation takes time and effort, but the rewards can be immense. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and start building your content creation empire. Chapter 9. Selling handmade crafts. Turn your creativity into cash. Are you a master crafter with a knack for creating unique and beautiful items? Do you find joy in the process of making things with your hands, transforming raw materials into something special? Do you spend your free time knitting scarves, crafting jewelry, or designing personalized gifts? Perhaps you've even given these items as gifts to friends and family who always rave about your talent. If so, then it's time to turn your crafty hobby into a profitable side hustle. Imagine earning money from something you love doing, all while sharing your creations with the world. Online marketplaces like Etsy have made it easier than ever for creators to connect with a global audience of shoppers looking for one-of-a-kind handmade goods. You can set up your own shop in just a few clicks. From personalized jewelry and home decor to knitted accessories and custom artwork, the possibilities are endless. Each item you create can tell a story and offer something truly unique to buyers. The key is to find your niche, create high-quality products, and showcase your unique style to attract customers. High-quality photos and engaging descriptions can make a big difference. Selling handmade crafts allows you to turn your passion into profit while setting your own hours and being your own boss. You have the freedom to work from home or even sell at local markets. So dust off your crafting supplies, unleash your inner artist, and start building your handmade empire. The world is waiting to see what you create. Chapter 10. Food Delivery. Become a culinary courier. Alright, listen up foodies. This one's for all you night owls, weekend warriors, or anyone who loves cruising around town. Food delivery apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub have exploded in popularity, and they're always looking for hungry drivers to join their ranks. This is the perfect side hustle for those who value flexibility and independence. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and choose your delivery zones. Plus, you're always on the move, exploring different parts of your city and discovering hidden culinary gems. So if you're looking for a side hustle that's flexible, fun, and keeps your stomach happy, then grab your helmet, fire up your delivery app of choice, and get ready to hit the road. Outroast Start Your Side Hustle in 2025. There you have it, folks. 10 awesome side hustles that can help you crush your financial goals, gain valuable experience, and maybe even discover your true calling. So what are you waiting for? Take that leap of faith, start small, and watch your side hustle dreams blossom. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic money-making tips. And as always, stay hungry, stay driven, and I'll see you in the next video.